Uh, Hello, welcome back to the Niji channel. This is Mami J. So, continuation for our Tesda class. We're in the lesson 2, the food processing plant, and we already finished the topic 1, the food processing facility, and topic 2, equipment. So, we're going to continue at the topic 3, tools and utensils. Okay. Oh, we need to I need to sign in first. So, dito na tayo sa topic 3. Topic 3 is tools and utensils. Tools are handheld device used to carry out particular function. Utensils are tools, containers, or other articles specially used for household tasks like cooking. Let's explore them in this topic. So, containers. Example of containers are bowl, a round dish used to prepare and serve food. It can be made of different materials such as aluminum, enamel, glass, stainless steel, or stoneware. Another containers called casserole, a large deep dish used both in oven and as a serving vessel. Another is enamel kettle, is a type of pot specialized for boiling water with a lid, spout, and handle. Next, food tray, flat, flat dish or container that used to carry or serve food. It can also be used for storing or displaying. Another is jars, a glass container ideal for packaging permanent, fermented and sugar concentrated products. Another mixing bowl, stainless steel bowl used to mixing ingredients together in. Another is non-stick pan. Cooking pans are that have non-stick properties. They do not require any amount of oil and work well with food that generally sticks. Mm. Next is perforated tray, a pan that has holes in the bottom. It allows steam and it or oil to skip the food. Perforated tray. Okay. Saucepan. A deep cooking pan is typically round, made of metal and with one long handle and a lid used for generally range-top cooking. Next, soaking container used for containing curing or braining solution along with the meat, fruit, and vegetables. So, soaking container. Next, utility tray designed for carrying items. It can be utilized for a number of functions. A utility tray can be used when mixing liquid or transferring product from one container to another. It can hold product to avoid spills. Pwede matapon. Wire basket. It is a metal container used to sort and store items in the food processing plant. Wire basket. Mhm. So another tools and utensils is hand tools. Example of hand tools is pasting spoon used to scoop liquid at the bottom of the pan and pour it into the foodstuff being cooked. Basting spoons. Mhm. Can opener, a mechanical device used to open tin cans. Next, colander, a ball-shaped container. It is usually made of metal that has holes through which liquid can drain. It is typically used to drain boiled food such as pasta and potatoes. It can also be used in rinsing fruit and vegetable. Salaan sa atin. Cook's pork, heavy, to prolonged fork with a long handle used for lifting and turning meat or another food stuff. Next, fish descaler, descaler, fish descaler, a small hand tool used to remove the scale attached to the skin of fish with ease. Pangkaliskis ng isda. So next, food tongs, spring type tools used to grip and lift food stuff. Food tongs. Okay, yung pang-ipit ng ano. Alam ko na to. So, punil. What is punil? A tube of pipe, wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. It used to kiding liquid or powder into a small opening. Ano to? Punil. Okay, next, jar lifter. Works like a tongue. It used to grip and lift jars with hot contents. Oh, jar lifter palang tawag doon. Next, squeezer, a hand press tool used to squeeze juice from fruits. Squeezer. Mandolin has a flat surface with a razor sharp blade that can be adjusted to cut thick or thin slice. Mandolin pala yun. Mandolin. Strainer, a handheld tool used to strain food. Mhm. Sirens, a tube with a needle and pump used to inject curing solution into meat. Mhm. Wooden ladle, a long-handled spoon with a cup-shaped bowl made of wood. It can be used for lifting liquid out of the pot. Next, wooden spoon that can be for stirring sauce, mixing ingredients, or cooking. It is prepared over metal spoon because it does not transfer heat. Okay. Next, tools is cutting tools. Boning knife, used for boning raw meat and poultry. A fixing boning knife is used to filleting and light cutting. It is thin and pointed, usually about 6 inches long. Puning knife pala yun. Okay, bread knife, used for slicing bread, cake, pastry. Chef knife, chief, most used knife in the kitchen for chopping, slicing, dicing, etc. The blade is wider nearing the handle and taper until it reaches the sharp point. Chopping board, where food item to be sliced or chopped are placed. Cleaver, used to hack and cut through bones. Cleaver pa ang tawag doon. Has a very heavy and board knife. Honing rod, used to realign a knife engage quickly. Pang ano yan, pang sharpening stone. Same as honing rod, panggamit din sa, okay. Paring knife, it is a small and pointed knife around 2 to 4 inches long. It is used to trimming and paring vegetables and fruits. Peeler, used to peeling vegetables and fruit with a revolving blade mechanism. Utility knife, using for cutting and preparing fruits as well as carving roast chicken and duck. It is a narrow knife about 6 inches in length. So, yun ang ating topic 3. So, thank you guys for watching. To be continued for topic 4.